So many channels are getting tons and tons and tons of views all across YouTube using products or videos they got from Google Flow. Google Flow can do so much that you can imagine, and people are making thousands of dollars using Google Flow to create stunning videos for their products, for stories, for storyboards, for movies, for mini movies. Google Flow is the king in the storyboard, and you need to learn how to use Google Flow like a pro. So let's get into it. I'm sure you have your story already written somewhere or copied somewhere. For me, I have my story, and go straight to ChatGPT. Wherever you have your story, come to ChatGPT. I need you to see exactly how I created it from A to Z. That's why I'm doing this, and it's going to be very brief. Paste your story. This is our story. Now let's check it out. Prompting should not be a big deal. It's communication between you and the machine. The story is a last signature. The prompt I want you to put below or above any story you are creating is simple. Create a storyboard for each scene of the story. I am using the storyboard on in Google Flow. That's it. ChatGPT will design the prompt exactly for where you want to use it. You can use Claude too. I just chose to use ChatGPT. Click on send prompt. Now we have our storyboard right here. It has 14, 15, 16 images. This is exactly what we are looking for. Just download your storyboard. Now it's downloaded. We have it on our computer. It could be your phone. It's the same way. Now we have it already. Now let's head to Google Flow. If you have not been on Google Flow before, then just type Google Flow and go to create new project. On this page, you click plus. That plus means you want to add something. You go into your system to pick whatever you want. I'll come to the download. I click on it and I go to open. Now your secret here is the storyboard. People generate videos on Google Flow using picture by picture. They pick the first image, they transform it into a video. They pick the second image, they transform it into a video. It doesn't work that way. This is a short story. If you have a long story, you cut it into small batches and create it the way I'm going to create it right now. Now we'll select this. We're here ready for what we need to use it for. But we need to give Google Flow a prompt also to create a video from the storyboard. Create a story video with the storyboard. Make sure to follow the story from image 1 to 16. Animate. Come right here, and this is video generation default. I say save. Punch in enter for it to generate. Okay, let's play it.
Sign the document. Do not question the numbers. Drop this now. You must forget everything.
Now let's run a very short and simple advert for Google Flow right now. Let's get into it. Let's add something from our system. We need upload. So we go to upload. So we go into our system or wherever you have stored your image you want to advertise, maybe on your phone or your computer. I have mine here. Let's pick let's look at what this is, because I wish to use the one that is the shirt. So okay, this is what we are using. Then we open. Run an advert for the t-shirt. A college male white college male white student wears the shirt to school and a payoff is on the screen. my lawn wears. Comfort you can rely on. I expect you to do a better job than this, because we are just doing this for learning purpose. You see, I'm just typing it right here. In fact, sometimes there is typographical error in these things, so I expect you to do a better job than what I'm doing here. So you add what you want to add to it. You add the shirt. We already have the shirt, and then let's generate it. Let's see what it's going to give us. Now we have our video. See, this shirt I gave to Google Flow. The guy is wearing it. The most important thing for you right now is to go and generate. Go and do it. We have found out right now that it is simple to do. If you have not been using this, you probably don't know how to use it, or someone have not shown you. It is simple as A, B, and C. Go create something today. Don't be left out. AI is the future. You need to know how to use it like a pro. Do that right now. Till I see you on the next one. Thank you.